Well, the CDC says the number of leprosy cases in the southeastern U.S. has doubled in the last decade, and most of those cases are actually found in Florida. The disease is caused by bacteria and could lead to severe disfiguring skin sores and nerve damage. So for more on this, I want to bring in Dr. Aileen Marty. She is an expert in infectious disease and disaster medicine and a professor at Florida International University. Thanks for joining us. When you think of leprosy, you think of sort of a biblical age illness, not a modern day Florida illness. Why is Florida now a hotspot for leprosy?
Well, no one totally knows the answer as to why Florida has become a hotspot. But what we do know is there are actually several states of the United States and Puerto Rico where we see cases of leprosy every year. But as you mentioned in your piece, it's gone up in Florida, and we are seeing more consistency in having cases that are acquired here in Florida. We suspect that there are two reasons why it's currently in Florida and that we're having a problem. One is the armadillos, which armadillos have a very low body temperature, and therefore they are highly susceptible to carrying the bacterium in high quantities. And they acquired it in Louisiana, and they over time brought it over to Florida. The second is immigrants, that there are nations in the world where leprosy is still a big problem, including places from which many immigrants come to Florida, like, for example, Mexico and India and so forth, and Brazil, where they have even larger problems with leprosy, and those individuals could have brought it to our community.
So, you know, when I had read that armadillos was sort of one of the causes, ways in which people could be exposed, I thought to myself, well, I mean, how much access to armadillos do people generally have? I mean, how is this actually spreading?
Okay, so in terms of the armadillo, as I said, this is a bacterium that likes lower temperatures, and the body temperature of armadillos is very low. So they root in the soil in areas where there are people with leprosy, and then they acquire it and have a high degree of infection. Some people hunt armadillos, and they're common here in Florida. And when you skin the animal in preparation after you've hunted it, you can aerosolize the bacteria, and you get infected with leprosy by breathing in these bacteria.
Really quickly, when you think leprosy, you think worst case scenario. I mean, people losing limbs. But the reality is there are really effective treatments.
Yes, but you have to catch it early because there's very effective treatment. We have to diagnose the type of leprosy you have to give you the appropriate treatment. Treatment for one type of leprosy will last a year. For the other will last 2 years at least. But even if you're completely treated for and remove the bacterium from your body, symptoms can progress if it wasn't caught early, because it sets in motion a type of immunologic response that can be very damaging. So it's really important to get diagnosed promptly.
Great advice. Dr. Marty, thank you.